Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove password in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to guys, of course, this is a free license, so it's a non-professional for non-professional use. You can start your trial license or buy it here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what you actually have in front of us. So we have the news, favorites, recent session discovered, and annotations. And in the top right corner, we have the settings, set password, address book, etc., etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove password in AnyDesk. So first of all, this is pretty easy. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Click on the top right corner, guys, of course, and of course, go and click on the settings. Here you will have settings for everything. So basically you have settings for permissions, privacy, everything. You can of course go and click on the set password because this will get you to the password section where if you have a password set up, you can go and put another password. So basically you can remove this password. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, until then guys, until the next video, bye guys.